How to make a collage on Instagram story without layout iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make a collage in Instagram story without layout. So just simply open the Instagram app and just go to the story section while uh, flipping the screen around, and after that just simply scroll up to select the picture of your choice in order to make a collage. And now just pinch this photo down and just adjust it and make it smaller or larger as per your liking. And now just simply click on this sticker icon from the top of the menu and go to the photo section, and now select as many photos as you want to. So let's say I have selected all these pictures. You can go ahead and select as many pictures as you want to. And now just simply pinch and make adjust the size of each picture as per your liking, and then just make a collage. You can also add stickers and some cute stickers and different kinds of things over here just to make it look more aesthetic and as per your liking. Just customize it as per you. I'm not using any layout over here, as you can see. You can also go ahead and add music if you want to. You can also use meta feature over here to make any changes in this particular collage. And yeah, that's how you will be able to make collage on Instagram without any layout. I hope you find this video to be helpful.